Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda. وَإِذْ عَلَّمْتُكَ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحِكْمَةَ وَالتَّوْرَاةَ وَالْإِنْجِيلَ وَإِذْ تَخْلُقُ مِنَ الطِّينِ كَهَيْئَةِ الطير بإذني فتنفخ فيها فتكون طيرا بإذني وتبرئ الأكمه والأبرص بإذني وإذ تخرج الموتى بإذني وإذ خففت بني إسرائيل عنك إذ جئتهم بالبينات فقال الذين كفروا منهم إن هذا إلا سحر مبين. And when I taught you the book and wisdom and Torah and Injil, and when you made figures from the clay shaping like birds by my permission, then you did breathe into them and they became the birds by my permission. And when you healed those born blind and the lepers by my permission, and when you did raise the dead to life by my permission, and when I withheld the children of Israel from harming you after you came to them with clear signs, then the disbelievers of them said, this is nothing but a clear magic. In the first part of the ayah we studied yesterday that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning his favors on Jesus alayhi salam and his mother. And in today's part, the favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on Jesus alayhi salam is continued. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave a big favor to Jesus alayhi salam that he taught Jesus alayhi salam the Torah and Injil, which had commandments and wisdom. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him the ability that he would make a bird with a clay and will breathe into it and it will become a real bird which will fly away. And Hazrat Isa alayhi salam would put his hand on the person who was born blind or the one who had leprosy, and they will be cured by Hazrat Isa alayhi salam's touch with Allah's permission. And when he would ask the dead people to stand up and become alive, the dead people will stand up and become alive again with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's permission. And it must be noted that all these signs and miracles what Jesus alayhi salam got were all with the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as we read in this ayah the word bi'izni, meaning with my permission, with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's permission. And this is true for any miracle of any prophet, that whenever the prophet shows a miracle, this is not because of the prophet but because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's command the miracle is shown. Jesus alayhi salam also knew whatever people ate in their homes and also knew what they kept inside their homes. Despite of all these miracles, the Bani Israel became the enemies of Jesus alayhi salam and planned to kill him, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helped Jesus alayhi salam and did not let the Bani Israel to harm him. As with the other messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when a miracle is shown, the people would say that it is nothing but a magic. And the same thing happened with Jesus alayhi salam, that Bani Israel rejected those miracles by saying that it is nothing but magic. The people of that time, some of them believed in the teachings of Jesus alayhi salam, and they are called his Hawari, and some rejected him and they were the disbelievers, and some became so much misguided and they loved Jesus alayhi salam so much that they made him the son of God, na'uzu billah, and started to worship him. And we have studied that ghuluv or exaggeration in deen is a very bad thing to have. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.